Hello student, Hemant sir is here again. So today we are going to understand the very important concept which is the biogas plant. That means we have to understand the production of biogas, okay, by using the biogas plant, okay. So we know biogas is a very useful domestic fuel which is used in most of the villages where the farmers they use to rear the cattle. So the cattle gives their organic waste. This organic waste is used in the biogas plant for the production of biogas. Okay. So today we are going to understand the biogas plant. Okay. So we know biogas contain about 55 to 60% of methane gas and the rest is carbon dioxide. Okay. So very important point that we have to write. Biogas contain 55% to 60% methane gas, and rest is carbon dioxide gas. It is very important that you have to remember. Okay. So we have to first understand the construction of biogas plant. Okay. So this is the biogas plant which is to be designed. Okay. So this is the part where the organic waste is mixed with the water to form slurry. Then this slurry or mixture of organic waste which is passes from the pipeline to the tank called digester. Okay. So this pipe is the inlet chamber, or we can say the inlet pipe, from where the slurry of the organic waste with water which is passes from the mixer tank to the digester tank. Okay. Here it is the dung and water mixture. Okay. See here, this tank is called as it is underground, which is the digester tank, where anaerobic bacteria and other microorganisms they decompose the organic waste to form the organic acid, and then this organic acid is converted into methane gas with the help of methanogenic bacteria. Okay. This methane gas is produced in the tank which is collected in the gas chamber which is just above the digester tank. Okay. Then when the gas is formed, it produces pressure here. Okay. That pressure pushes the slurry on downward side and which is collected on the overflow tank. So here it is the spent slurry, which is the excess of slurry which is taken out from the tank, which is the outflow tank or overflow tank, where all this material which is again passes through one of the dig on the soil, which is nothing but the manure, which is used as a manure. Okay. Then the gas produces in the tank which is then used for the different purposes like in industries or in domestic purpose for the production of or for the cooking purpose. Okay. So this is the top of the tank called the slab cover. Okay. It is the airtight tank due to the collection which is used to collect the methane gas over here. Okay. So this is the process how biogas plant works. Okay. This remaining part is underground part. Okay. This part of the tank is underground part. Okay. This one. Now we have to understand the process how biogas plant work. Okay. So the raw material required for working of the biogas plant is the dry leaves, which is again an organic waste, then cattle dung, which is again organic waste, and wet garbage can be used over here to form the slurry with the help of water, and this slurry is then passed on the digester tank with the help of inlet chamber. Okay, next type of process. See here, oxygen gas is absent, that's why the anaerobic process takes place. During the anaerobic process, organic acids are formed, and then organic acid are converted into methane gas with the help of methanogenic bacteria. Okay, now biogas production involves, see, type of process is anaerobic decomposition of organic matter by microbes. Microbes are the microorganism like bacteria. Okay, next, biogas production involves two steps. It involves two steps. First, the production of organic acid. When organic acid is nothing but it is the decomposition of organic matter with the help of microbial decomposition process. During this process, organic acid like ethanoic acid is formed. That organic acid then takes place into next step, which is the production of methane gas. So organic acid then decompose with the help of methanogenic bacteria to form methane gas and carbon dioxide. Okay, so here two types of gases are released. One is methane gas and one is carbon dioxide. So methane gas contain about 55 to 60% and carbon dioxide present rest of the gas. Okay, so this is the way how organic gas, which is the biogas, is formed by using the biogas plant. Okay, now we have to understand the uses of methane gas. Okay, so there are various uses of methane gas in our industries as well as in domestic purposes. So first use, the form of natural gas, which is the methane, is used in many industries like in fabric mills, paper mills, food processing units, and in purification of petrol, methane gas is used. Okay, next, methane gas is used as a domestic fuel in household purposes. Next, methane is used for the preparation of various organic products like ethanol, methyl chloride, chloroform, methylene chloride and acetylene. All these products are formed with the help of methane gas only. Okay, so students, this is the very important part of our chapter. Okay, so you have to draw the diagram. Draw twice, thrice at home so that you will get perfection while drawing the diagram. Okay, it is very important as your exam point of view. Okay, then it is the working of biogas plant and the uses of methane gas. So methane gas is nothing but biogas. Okay, so students, today we are completing our session here only. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Okay, and for better understanding, do keep repeat this video once, twice, so that you will understand each and every concept clearly. Okay, if you have any doubt, then call me on my number which you already have. Okay, so bye for now.